Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called My Cat is Fat. For fat cats everywhere. My cat is fat. I have a fat cat. Do you see my cat? No, that is not my cat. That is a sad dog. My cat is not a sad dog. Do you see my cat? No, that is not my cat. That is a big pig. My cat is not a big pig. Well, if your cat likes bacon, then the cat eats the pig because bacon is pigs. Sorry, people like pigs. Do you see my cat? No, that is not my cat. That is a stinky skunk. My cat is not a stinky skunk. Do you see my cat? No, that is not my cat. That is a flat fish. My cat is not a flat fish. Yes, but that fish is about to be eaten by the cat. Do you see my cat? No, that is not my cat. That is a little duck. My cat is not a little duck. Do you see my cat? No, that is not my cat. That is a red frog. My cat is not a red frog. Or should I say, poisonous red frog. This is my cat. I have a fat cat. What? That was the whole point of the book? Just saying, where is your cat? Okay, I hope you enjoyed this book and I hope to see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!